I did. I do it to my son all the time.
You strangle your son? That's insane. No wonder he's fat and stupid and masturbates all the time.
That's your son!
Yeah!
Hey, knock it off! There's a kid back there!
I'm in danger.
Hey, that's no fair. I don't got none of this.
And remember, kids, TV violence is fine as long as you don't show a nipple.
Perfect. The Earthlings are destroying themselves.
Yeah, it's really great, isn't it, guys? We went to summer camp together. Hi, thanks for having me. It appears that I am now the only one with radioactive powers, which will allow me to unleash my fury. Oh, I talked too long. We're gonna make it!
Trust me, we're not. Roadhouse.
Say hi to Maud Flanders.
Now, you say hi to Muriel Goldman.
Who? What are you still doing here?
I think you're gonna get a kick out of this. You're parked behind me at your place.
That is funny.
Hey, listen, I'm sorry we fought. I just wanted to make you laugh and cry. You see, I'm a family guy.
I understand. I'm of the Simpsons.
Look, even if we don't work as best pals, I respect you.
You too. Let's just agree to stay a half hour away from each other.
With a pile of garbage between us.
Worst chicken fight ever.
It sure is nice to be back in Quahog.
Oh, and thank God all the commotion about Dad's comic blew over.
Oh my God, I had a comic? That's hilarious.
Well, you may not be a cartoonist anymore, but you are a local hero for defending our beer. And apparently that's more important than hating women. So here you go, a Pawtucket Patriot Ale.
What? I don't understand. Ain't the brewery out of business? We lost a court case.
Yes, we lost, but how are they going to enforce it? What, are they going to come here? I think we know that's never going to happen.
Stewie, I'm sorry Bart didn't want to be your friend.
What? No. What are you talking about? He was lame. If you ask me, he kind of sounded like a girl.
Really? Kind of seemed like you idolized him. And I can understand losing a friend and feeling rejected.
Of course you can. You're a loser. But not me. I'm a lone wolf. Speaking of which, I'm going to go howl at the moon. Don't need nobody.